Hey guys, how are you doing? In the previous video, we've talked about financial goals and how to set up a financial goals for financial safety, financial health, and etc. etc. In today's video, we're gonna continue the topic and we will see how to make a plan for reaching that goals, and we'll even see how to make a $1 million as a passive income in this video, and we'll use investment calculator. This is a super tool which will allow us to see on the numbers exactly how much time we need, how much investment we need, and etc. and etc. Of course, for everyone it will take different time and different amount of money depending on the initial capital for investment and depending on the monthly contributions you are ready to make, but this is a super essential tool to make a plan to your financial confidence. And we'll start right now. So guys, right now we're on the page with the financial calculator. This is absolutely free calculator. I will leave a link in the description, but you can use any other that you would like to. The main thing is that you are practicing and that you're checking out some small features here, because when myself, I personally found this calculator for myself, it was literally a miracle. I was not aware of that power of compound interest growing, of a long-term investment, because compound interest is exactly a weapon which long-term investments have in priority over a day traders or something like that. And today we'll discover true power of that. So right now we're on the end amount tab, but actually we do not need that because we already know the final amount we want to reach. We've said that on the previous videos, or you can check that out, or you can just see what fits for you. And instead we'll go to investment length to find out how much time we need to reach our financial goals. So our target will be, for example, in the previous video for financial safety, the basic one, we calculated we need $33,000. So let this be one of our targets for today. So the starting amount, let's say we'll input $1,000 for us, and then return rate we'll use 20%. This is a little bit more of an advanced if you're advanced trader and you know how to do things, but this is absolutely possible to maintain. But I'm showing you just an example. You can put here in return rate whatever fits for you, and then we go to compound. I suggest you making this annually, not more frequent than that, because this is the time when you will reinvest your capital back, what you've earned. Let it be annually, and additional contributions, again $1,000 in the end of each month. All right, and now by pressing calculate we will see how much time we need for reaching our financial safety. So as you can see, for this specific target we need only a little bit more than 2 years to reach our financial safety. This is not that long, this is not that difficult. What matters is consistency and patience. And the third thing what we're doing now is calculating, making our plan towards our goals. And this is a super cool feature which brings us to a financial confidence over the time. That's why financial education is important in general, because long-term investors literally almost cannot lose their money. It's almost impossible if you're just investing at a certain periods of time without watching the stocks. Just in the beginning of every month, let yourself a few days to invest your money which you put aside for investment, and that will work for you actually, because it will beat most of the times the predictions of all the analytics and etc. etc. Let's see how much time it will take for us to reach our goal number 2, financial wealth, which was about $100,000. all right, so we put our target $100,000, and then everything else remains the same. And then let's see how much time this will take for us to reach. So $100,000 will take us 5 years to reach, and this is absolutely insane result, because if we go down here at the breakdown, we'll see that almost 40% of all that money that we'll receive in the end will be coming from the interest that we've received just passively. This is absolutely insane. This is a magic of compound interest over a long-term period of time. But what is even more cooler, way cooler than that, is when you invest your money over a longer period, over even longer than 5 years. And now we'll calculate how much time it will take us to reach $1 million in case of investing with a 20% return rate. And same thing, setting aside $1,000 a month, and we'll see how much time it will take us to reach that target. But before I press the calculate button, please like this video, it will help it to go into the YouTube algorithm for suggested videos. Thank you. So let's press the button calculate. And what we see now, that to get $1 million, we need 15 years for investment, and that is absolutely insane, because if we go down, we can see that most of that money, 82% of that money, will come from a passive income. And this is absolutely insane. This is a true power of a compound interest over a long time, and this is a super cool feature. I have to say that, of course, when we are calculating amount of money over a longer period of time, like longer than 10 years, we have to calculate inflation in addition to that what we get. So on the average, inflation of United States dollars is around 2.5% every year, right? This is the average over a long period of time. So we have to take that into account. But this is still super cool result, 15 years, just passively investing with the consistency, with just the general knowledge, with the financial confidence, with financial education, and over a long-term period we can reach such an incredible results. Thank you for watching this. Good luck.